Your voice cuts like a blade. Guess whose smile just got remade? Two black bows in my hair. I'm the